Hello everybody, with you Mohammed Bermawi. In this video I am going to tell you more why I think that the Dow Jones and the American stock market is ready to have a downside movement. In the chart in front of you, I overlay the Bitcoin chart over the Dow Jones chart. The candle chart is for the Dow Jones, the line chart for the Bitcoin. The scalp for process chart is a logarithmic scalp. As you can see, the logarithmic scalp for the Bitcoin is here. It is very huge because Bitcoin is was in a very strong uptrend compared to that in the Dow Jones. In the lower of the chart, in the lower window, as you can see, this is Parsons correlation analysis between Dow Jones and Bitcoin. The correlation analysis tells us that for most of the time through 2016, 2017, and 2018 until September 2018, the correlation between Dow Jones and Bitcoin was positive. So in 2018, I remember that I posted a lot of posts telling people on social media, take care, because if Bitcoin fall, the Dow Jones will fall, and vice versa. And that is what really have happened. If you take a look here, you will see that when Bitcoin reached its peak near the $20,000, it fall to the downside. After that, with some weeks, the Dow Jones fall to the downside. After this falling in both of them, they both moved in a sideways movement. This sideways movement completed the correlation between them and kept it to be positive. After that, the Bitcoin fall dramatically to the downside, but the Dow Jones stay as how it is, and it didn't want to fall. That inverted the correlation between both of them and changes the correlation from being positive to being negative. It is now minus 0.24, so it is not strongly negative, but it is negative now. I think that if Bitcoin changed its direction from here, from around the 3,000 to the upside, this will be another evidence that the Dow Jones is ready to fall to the downside. So if Bitcoin changes its direction from the downside to the upside from around 3,000, then the Dow Jones might fall to the downside. So Bitcoin from the down to the up, while the Dow Jones will be from the up to the down. Let us take a look to the next chart. This chart is for Bitcoin for our charters. As you can see, Bitcoin was moving steady to the inside way, and then it began to fall. Now Bitcoin trade around 3,500 round number. But as you can see here, we have a falling wedge. You can see this is a falling wedge. It consists of 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4. It came near a very strong support area that lie between 3,000 and 2,500. If Bitcoin broke to the upside, then I think that it will target 4,500. After that, it might target 5,500. After that, it might target 6,500. So if Bitcoin move to the upside and the correlation between Bitcoin and Dow Jones is negative, then we should expect to see a fall in the Dow Jones. Let us now move toward Pre's analysis. Next chart, as you can see here, show us the stocks making 52 weeks high. The stocks from the Dow Jones, the stocks that the Dow Jones consists from, making 52 weeks high. And as you can see here, in the peak of around January 2018, those stocks was making really new highs, and it was moving very strongly to the upside. Now the Dow Jones, after making this top back again, it diverged with the new high index for the Dow Jones stocks, and now, as you can see here, the new high is at a very low value, and this confirms more that the Dow Jones current uptrend is weak and it is much more ready to fall. For this now, I wanted to show you why I think that the Dow Jones want to move to the downside. I hope that this video could help you to prepare yourself for the next weeks of trading, and good luck for everybody.